Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market experts accept JASMY could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the digital money market continues developing and stretching out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. In any case, with this ceaseless development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a majority rules government at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential, individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded estimates. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this passing twisting? And what's the cost estimate for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY state, a Japanese organization that Kinetake Ando made to interface more web gadgets in this way, enhancing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves a colossal scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. However, the organization used to construct it as Global Space Document Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3's stockpiling network that offers the impetuses of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0. JASMY has moved 1.50% as of now with an exchanging volume of $40,066,147. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 144 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $231,249,943 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The JASMY cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the JASMY's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. In the event that Jasmy coin effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy Coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. What is the Jasmy Coin cost today? Today, Jasmy Coin is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $231,249,943. Is Jasmy Coin a wise venture? Jasmy Coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that JASMY is a decent decision of venture. How high could Jasmy Coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy Coin might conceivably reach $0 a year. What amount will Jasmy Coin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of cryptographic money and Jasmy Coin, a drawn-out interest in JASMY could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Jasmy Coin be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Jasmy Coin today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of JASMY might actually ascend to 6 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2024? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2024. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2025? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2025. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2026? Jasmy Coin cost